Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to display roles separately for members on Discord. Follow these easy steps to do it. First of all, go to your Discord server and click on the server name and go to server settings. Here select roles. And now, first of all, create the role. Give the role name and scroll down. Enable display role members separately from online members. And here pick a color for the role and save changes. Now go to manage members. Click on add members. And now select members to add into the role. That's how you will be able to add multiple members to the role. Let's create another role. And that's it. As you can see, I've successfully displayed roles separately for members on Discord. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.